chocolate brown. Good morning guys from a very rainy Canggu, Bali. Yesterday we started the morning off at Brisa Beach Club. Actually we went to the market first, even though we went at like 10 a.m. Pretty busy.
Yeah, it was pretty busy. I think the market is in a small space, so it can feel overcrowded.
There were some really nice food vendors actually.
Yeah.
So if you want to try out some like interesting local foods, that was really cool. Arts and crafts and the jewelry and the clothing and stuff. It's kind of similar to...
Yeah, it's kind of similar to what you would see at the other markets, although there were some unique vendors like your
you have to look for them though.
Aromatherapy, your candle making
Yeah.
stands, tasters as well, so you can
Try other things.
which is nice.
What we did notice is, because we walked like to La Brisa, we noticed quite a few little marketplaces on the way, and they all had like very similar things, like the clothing, the shoes, the jewelry, the accessories, all that kind of stuff. Anyway, we stood in a line for about 20 minutes or so.
Went quite quick.
In the walk-in line to get into La Brisa, because we were only staying there for a little bit. We didn't do the minimum spend section, but they put us in quite a nice space. It was around the pool.
Ocean view.
We had a view of the ocean. Some people say it's overrated. I think it's overrated because it gets very busy and you have to wait quite a long time in the line. But once we were inside, it was very pleasant. Staff were great.
It's not overcrowded.
It wasn't packed. The vibes were really cool.
Very cool
The
music.
drinks we had were very nice.
The staff was super efficient.
We also had a poke bowl, which was it was good. It wasn't great.
Yeah, it was okay.
Overall, the experience was very, very nice. I would recommend it if you want to do it. I would suggest you just go as early as you can if you don't have a reservation. Try and find a good spot. I think from a beach club perspective, it was really cool vibes. Completely different experience from Fins. Fins is just like on another level, on another scale, and it has like so many different sections and things like that. La Brisa just feels a bit more chilled and more rustic and a bit easygoing. Yeah, we got back home to the apartment, chilled out for a bit. We went to Penny Lane, beautiful restaurant.
It's like sitting in a greenhouse.
Like a massive greenhouse. Funky decor, really cool vibes.
Very cool artwork.
Yeah, very quirky sections to it. Yeah, a really, really amazing place. We tried like 3 different dishes.
Seafood nasi goreng,
which is a local Balinese dish or Indonesian dish. I really enjoyed it. You thought it was a bit sweet.
I think it just maybe needed some heat or some
It needed a kick.
something to elevate it.
I had some calamari. That was like a 5 out of 5.
That was really
very
good.
nice. So I had a return of the Mac burger, or like a mozzarella ball, something stuck on the top of it. Tasty. His burger was very, very nice.
Beautifully presented.
Very, very cool vibes. Or when we stopped for ice cream afterwards at a funky little ice cream shop. Pistachio,
And
kunafe,
kunafe
like the Dubai chocolate vibe one.
I had a pavlova one, which was super delicious.
Very nice, like just getting ice cream and walking around a bit. This morning we woke up to a very rainy Canggu, so we wanted to do the sunrise on the beach, but it was just raining. It's still raining a little bit now. It looks like people are walking around, so we might be able to sneak out now. So we're thinking maybe we'll just pop into like a coffee shop or something now and just go and check it out. But a bit later we are going to
Nuanu.
For lack of a better description, it's called a creative city. Basically like this big compound with lots of interesting creative elements, light installations, art. There's a beach club there. I think there's some places to eat. There's some interesting workshops and all kinds of stuff. I don't know what to expect. We're just going to go
And explore.
check it out. Hopefully the weather
Holds up.
and we can still do that today. That is the plan. It looks like the rain is calming down a little bit, so let's go
Sneak out.
check it out now.
good.
Very
Very
good.
pretty.
Very nice. Cheesecake.
Is it creamy or is it seedy?
It's creamy. Oh, it's excellent. It's nice, eh?
It's nice. Citrus madeleine. It smells orange. It has a nice subtle citrus. It's like a mini orange cake. Good. Oh, it's really good.
Good.
It's so nice and cold. Tasty.
Nice. Oh, it tastes like the coconut.
Yes, yeah.
How's it? Very nice.
It's so good.
Oh, it's like a layer of.
Weird, but it works.
That's absolutely amazing.
The apple is like much. It's such a good balance of flavor.
That's really good. What? You don't like it? Yeah. It's weird.
It's nice.
Troy says it's nice but weird.
Pak Pol niki bisa mobil, pak niki ampun. Okay.
Tepuk tangan sekali lagi buat Jimmy Philo. Nah, juga ada Dreamcatcher.
So we are here, and that's where we want to go during sunset. But we're not sure what's around here, so let's cruise through and see. That looks cool. So it's 10 p.m. We didn't have dinner because we got back from Nuanu. Anyway, we ordered these pizzas as a late night meal. Yo, that looks amazing. You're gonna try it? That's pretty good. What do you think of the pizza?
Very nice.